Much jump.
There's that one jump on the way back. What's up, dude? Saturday morning dirt bikes. Alex just rode the 350.
My legs hurt.
Did such a good job. Rode this bike right here. Say hi, Molly. We made it down to Box Canyon. Some Jeeps. We come down this canyon pretty regularly. This time the ground, there's a river running through the whole thing and you can just fly because the dirt is so nice. Saturdays are for the boys. I tell you, this is what life's about. Great day of riding, hanging out with my friends, and then a beautiful drive back through the country like this. A little bit of rain in the air. Man, can't beat it.